Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this session we are going to discuss about Terraform Cloud on a high level. So without any further ado, let's get start the session. Terraform Cloud, or Terraform Enterprise. Terraform Cloud and Terraform Enterprise, both are different distributions of same application. So the content is going to be same. Inside how it works, everything is going to be same. Only thing is, Terraform Cloud is a cloud-hosted solution, and then Terraform Enterprise is a self-hosted solution. So with that said, it means Terraform Cloud manages Terraform runs in a consistent and reliable environment. And it includes easy access to shared state and secret data, and also access controls for approving changes to the infrastructure, and also a role-based access control system, and also a private registry for sharing Terraform modules. Detailed policy controls for governing the contents of Terraform configurations. So Terraform Cloud is available as a hosted service at app.terraform.io. They offer free account for small team, and also paid plan with additional feature sets for medium-sized businesses. And they also provide that Terraform Enterprise solution for large enterprises, who can purchase their enterprise licenses as a self-hosted distribution. So with that said, we are going to implement a Terraform VCS Driven Workflow. So as part of VCS Driven Workflow, as a developer, we will check in that Terraform configuration files to your GitHub repository. And then as soon as you checking those files, it triggers the Terraform run on the Terraform Cloud. So all this is going to happen automatically. So once you integrate GitHub, that respective repo, in your Terraform Cloud, in the same line, you'll also implement that Terraform CLI-driven workflow. So once you implement, and then understand about the VCS-driven workflow in the Terraform Cloud, so you will move on to implementing the Terraform CLI-driven workflow. So as part of CLI-driven workflow, in your local desktop, you are going to run your Terraform plan, or apply command. But those will be executed or run on the Terraform Cloud. So for that purpose, you are going to do a remote backend integration with the Terraform Cloud. And then you are going to do all this VCS driven, and then CLI driven in a step-by-step manner. Now, one more thing here is, publishing private module registries in Terraform Cloud. So this is one more use case, which we want to learn from Terraform Cloud perspective. So as part of that, we are going to create a GitHub repository, and check in those private module files to GitHub, and integrate that with your Terraform Cloud, that respective organization modules section. So with that, you will be able to publish the custom local modules, what you have built for your applications into Terraform modules, private modules registry. So all those things you are going to implement as part of this Terraform Cloud, and then enterprise capabilities section. So guys, this completes the introductory section of Terraform Cloud, and then enterprise capabilities. So I'll see you in the next lecture. So guys, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. I will see you in the next lecture. If you have any question or any doubt, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.